my name is Stephanie.
Hello everyone, my name is Farhana Nurain.
Hi, I'm Carissa.
This three study examined ERP implementation in oil and gas industry across different regions. The first study focused on South Africa companies, the second on Indian operation, and the third was a case study of Petronas in Malaysia. The oil and gas industry is one of the world's biggest and most complicated businesses, facing major challenges like changing price, supplies problem, and the need to go digital. The old computer system for managing business operation are too expensive and cannot keep up with today's needs, so companies are switching to cloud-based system. ERP or SAP has become the most popular software choice, helping oil company manage everything from drilling oil to selling it to customer. This new cloud system have made real improvement, which will be explained in more in our findings section. What is ERP? It is Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a business management software that connects all parts of a company into one system. Think of it as a central branch that links different departments like purchasing, inventory, finance, human resource, and production, so they can share information instantly instead of working separately. Now, objective. The first objective is to assess the transition impact from traditional to cloud-based ERP. Second, to determine ERP's competitive advantages in the oil and gas industry. Third, to analyze the correlation between ERP infrastructure and financial and operation performance.
Before that, let us learn what is SAP. SAP stands for System Application Products, which extensively used in ERP application. SAP enables companies to control operation, management, and resource planning across various departments.
The first finding is digital transformation through cloud ERP implementation, where it's able to improving supply chain management process. In the first article, it proves that it works through scientific proof, where it surveyed 55 managers in oil and gas company and get result of reliability score which 0.81, very trustworthy results. Thus, cloud ERP really does improve operation in oil and gas industry. In the second article, it shows practical evidence, demonstrate practical implementation with automated PDT, plain delivery times calculation. The system automatically calculates delivery times from purchase order instead of manual entry. The impact is save 1,000 labor hours and manage 25,000 items better with less delay. Therefore, cloud ERP saves times and reduce mistake. In the third article, it shows real-world global company success where Petronas used SAP over 30 countries. The impact is create 28 billion revenue and successfully manage worldwide operation. Thus, cloud ERP works even for huge and global companies.
Next, I will explain why SAP is considered the industry standard ERP in the oil and gas sector and how it is implemented across the three articles reviewed. In the first article, the implementation shift toward cloud-based SAP ERP. Here, companies adopt cloud ERP to gain real-time access to data, improve communication across branches, and reduce IT maintenance costs. In the second article, SAP ERP was implemented by developing a custom SAP program. This program automatically calculated and updated the planned delivery time or PDT using data from purchase order. The implementation involved creating a new transaction code, mapping data from the material master, and applying the system across 6 plants. In the third article, which focuses on Petronas, we see a broader organization-wide implementation of SAP. Petronas uses SAP S/4HANA along with cloud technologies like Microsoft Azure and Cisco Security. This combination allows the company to connect different departments such as finance, production, HR, and supply chain into one unified platform. Overall, across all three articles, SAP emerges as the industry standard ERP because it can be customized, scaled, and integrated to meet the demanding needs of all oil and gas operation.
Now, I will present finding 3, which focus on measurable operational efficiency and financial performance. For Article 1, highlighted real-time data access, lower IT costs, and better financial control through cloud-based ERP. This means that when the company moved to a cloud-based ERP system, they were able to access operational data instantly, which speeds up decision-making. Lower IT costs occur because cloud solutions reduce the need for on-site servers and maintenance. With better financial control, the company can monitor spending more accurately, avoid unnecessary costs, and manage budgets more effectively. For Article 2, automated material planning reduce delays and labor waste and improve cost efficiency. In Article 2, one of the biggest improvements came from automating the material planning process using SAP ERP. When material planning is automated, human error decreases, resulting in fewer delays in production. It also reduces labor waste because employees no longer need to manually calculate delivery times. Overall, this increases cost efficiency and supports smoother production operations. For Article 3, use SAP S4 HANA and cloud systems to enhance data integrations, reduce downtime, and cut operational costs. In Article 3, Petronas improve operational efficiency by using SAP S4 HANA and cloud-based ERP systems. These systems integrate data from different departments, so information is always consistent and updated. With better integration, downtime is reduced because processes run more smoothly with fewer interruptions. This also helps cut operational costs since the company avoids duplicate work, delays, and system errors. Now, here are some recommendations for each article. For Article 1, which discusses digital transformation through cloud ERP, we propose two new recommendations. First, the companies should strengthen their cybersecurity measures for cloud ERP. With many critical processes now running digitally, any cyber attack can shut down operations, delay supplies, or compromise sensitive information. By enhancing cybersecurity systems, the organization can operate with greater confidence and stability. Second, we recommend implementing real-time supply chain dashboards. This allows managers to monitor supplier performance, shipping status, and inventory levels instantly. With real-time visibility, the company can respond quickly to delays and improve operational efficiency across the entire supply chain. For Article 2, which focus on automating planned delivery time in SAP, we would like to propose two new recommendations. First, the companies should introduce predictive analytics into the SAP. By using machine learning, the system can forecast material delays based on past PDT data, supplier patterns, and environmental factors. This helps the company act early to prevent disruptions in the production. Second, there should be a standardized PDT data entry guideline across all plants. Different locations, such as offshore and onshore, currently apply varying PDT assumptions. By enforcing uniform rules, the organization can ensure consistent and accurate material planning throughout the entire supply chain. For Article 3, which explores ERP usage in Petronas, we would like to recommend two new improvements. First, the Petronas should expand ERP integration to all of its international operations. Since the company operates in over 30 countries, a unified ERP system will allow for faster data sharing, consistent reporting, and reduced duplication across global branches. Second, Petronas should invest in ERP-based talent upskilling. As technology evolves rapidly, employees need continuous training to stay competent with new ERP features, digital workflows, and automation tools. This ensures a highly skilled workforce that can maximize the value of ERP investments.
All three articles conclude that implementing ERP system, especially SAP and cloud-based ERP, greatly improves efficiency, accuracy, and cost management in the oil and gas industry. By integrating business processes and automating operations, ERP helps reduce delays, enhance productivity, and support better financial performance, making it an essential tool for achieving sustainable growth and competitiveness.